Hello everyone, and welcome to English Compass.
Hi friends, I'm Lisa.
And I'm James. We are so happy you are here today.
Today we have a very useful topic for you.
Yes, we will talk about doctor and pharmacy visits.
Okay, health conversations, very important.
Exactly. When you are in an English-speaking country, you may need to see a doctor.
Or go to the pharmacy. Maybe you feel sick. Maybe you need medicine.
That's right. So today, we will learn simple English for these situations.
Perfect. And we will teach you some keywords too.
Yes. Let's start with a simple question, Lisa. When was the last time you saw a doctor?
Oh, good question, James. Actually, last month, I had a bad cough.
I see. And what did you do first?
First, I called the clinic. I made an appointment.
Okay. Appointment. That is our first key word.
Yes, an appointment is a planned time to see the doctor.
Exactly. You call and say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment, please."
Perfect. So, appointment. appointment. Appointment.
Great. Now, when you see the doctor, you need to describe how you feel.
Right. You talk about your symptoms.
Symptoms. That is word number 2.
Yes. A symptom is a sign that your body is not well.
For example, a fever is a symptom. A cough is a symptom. Pain is a symptom.
Exactly. So, if you have a headache, that is a symptom. If you feel tired, that is a symptom too.
That makes sense. So at the doctor's office, you can say, "Doctor, my symptom is a sore throat."
Or, I have a fever and a cough. Simple and clear.
Perfect. Now, after the doctor sees you, they may give you a prescription.
Yes, prescription. That is an important word.
Word number 3. A prescription is a paper from the doctor. It tells the pharmacy what medicine you need.
Exactly. You take the prescription to the pharmacy. Not to the supermarket, to the pharmacy.
Pharmacy. That is word number 4.
Yes, a pharmacy is a store where you get medicine. In some places, people say drugstore or chemist.
But pharmacy is very common. Pharmacy, pharmacy.
Perfect. So, let's review. First, you make an appointment. Then, you tell the doctor your symptoms. Then, you get a prescription. Then, you go to the pharmacy.
That's right. And at the pharmacy, you talk to the pharmacist.
Pharmacist, word number 5.
Yes, a pharmacist is the person who gives you medicine at the pharmacy.
Exactly. You can ask the pharmacist questions. For example, how do I take this medicine?
Good question. And that leads to our next keyword, dosage.
Dosage. D-O-S-A-G-E, dosage.
Dosage means how much medicine to take and how often.
For example, take 1 pill 2 times a day. That is the dosage.
Perfect. It is very important to follow the dosage.
Yes, do not take more. Do not take less. Follow the instructions.
Exactly. Now, sometimes medicine can cause side effects.
Side effects. That is word number 7.
Side effects are extra changes in your body from the medicine. Maybe you feel sleepy. Maybe your stomach feels funny.
Right. If you have side effects, tell your doctor or pharmacist.
That makes sense. Okay, so we have 7 keywords so far. Let's take a short break and chat more.
Sure. James, what if you don't have a prescription? Can you still get medicine at the pharmacy?
Good question. Yes, you can. Some medicine does not need a prescription. We call this over-the-counter medicine.
Okay. For example, medicine for a headache or a cold.
Exactly. You can just ask the pharmacist, "I have a headache, what do you recommend?"
Perfect. And the pharmacist will help you choose. Now, let's learn more keywords. Word number 8. Medicine or medication.
Medicine and medication mean the same thing. It is what you take to feel better.
Yes. Pills, liquid, cream. These are all medicine.
Word number 9, allergy.
Allergy. Very important. An allergy is when your body reacts badly to something.
For example, some people have an allergy to penicillin. That is a common medicine.
Exactly. So, always tell the doctor or pharmacist about your allergies. Say, I have an allergy to...
That is a very important sentence. I have an allergy to...
Perfect. Now, word number 10, checkup.
A checkup is a visit to the doctor when you are not sick. You go to stay healthy.
Yes. A checkup is like a health review. The doctor checks your heart, your blood pressure, and asks how you feel.
That makes sense. Regular checkups are good for you.
Exactly. Word number 11, insurance.
Insurance helps pay for your doctor visit or medicine.
Right. If you have insurance, bring the card. Show it at the front desk.
That makes things easier. Word number 12, refill.
Refill, if you need more medicine later, you can ask for a refill.
Exactly. You call the pharmacy and say, I would like a refill for my prescription, please.
Perfect. Word number 13, wait time.
Wait time means how long you wait before you see the doctor or get your medicine.
Yes, you can bring a book or listen to music while you wait.
Good idea. Okay, friends, let's move to practical tips. How can you prepare for a doctor visit in English?
Great question. Tip number 1, write down your symptoms before you go.
Yes, write simple notes. Headache, 3 days, pain is strong in the morning.
Perfect. This helps you remember. And it helps the doctor understand you.
Exactly. Tip number 2, bring your insurance card if you have one.
Right. Show it at the front desk. It helps with payment.
That makes things easier. Tip number 3, practice simple sentences at home.
Yes, practice saying, hello, I have an appointment. Or, I feel pain here.
Exactly. Practice makes you more confident. Ha ha ha.
And tip number 4, at the pharmacy, ask questions if you don't understand.
Yes, you can say, can you repeat that, please? Or, can you speak slowly, please?
Perfect. Pharmacists want to help you. They are happy to explain.
That's right. Okay, let's do a quick review together. I will say a step, and Lisa, you confirm.
Perfect, let's do it.
Step 1, make an appointment.
Yes, call the clinic, say your name and why you need to see the doctor.
Step 2, describe your symptoms.
Exactly, use simple words. I have a fever. My throat hurts.
Step 3, get your prescription.
Right. Take the paper from the doctor. Check the name and date.
Step 4, go to the pharmacy.
Yes, give the prescription to the pharmacist. Wait for your medicine.
Step 5, ask about dosage and side effects.
Perfect. How do I take this? Are there side effects?
Step 6, follow the instructions.
Exactly. Take the right amount. Take it at the right time.
And step 7, feel better. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, yes. We hope you feel better soon.
That was a great review. Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you, James. Now, friends, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. What is one symptom you would describe to a doctor in English?
For example, I have a cough. Or, my head hurts.
Please write your answer in the comments below. We love to read your messages.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up.
Yes, like this video. It helps other learners find English Compass.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Then you will get new lessons every day.
Also, share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Sharing is caring. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, exactly. Thank you so much for watching today.
We hope you feel more confident about doctor and pharmacy visits.
Remember, practice a little every day. You can do it.
Take care of your health and take care of your English.
Bye for now, friends.
Bye. See you next time on English Compass.